Hey, it's Berta Jay, and it's been a long time since we've met together this way. But I wanted you to know what was going on in my life. I thought it's a good idea to just share that with you. That I've been having some health issues, but they've been corrected. However, I'm having another procedure, and I will be away. But I'm coming back. That's what I want you to know. I enjoy what I'm doing here. And as a matter of fact, your comments and things that you have left for me have been a blessing. And I look forward to reading things from you. There are two scriptures that I wanted to share with you before I let you go. And one is, they're both in John. The first one is John 14:27. And Jesus he tells his disciples that he wants them to have peace, not just any old peace that the world gives them, but peace that he leaves with them. Because when you do that, when you take the peace that he has given you, your heart won't be troubled and you won't be afraid. That was one. The second one is John 16:33, which says, these things he's telling them so that in these things that he said in the scriptures before, that they won't be wrought up and upset, but they'll be at peace. Because in this world, we will have tribulations, we'll have trials, we'll have troubles, we'll have problems, but we can be of good cheer because Jesus has overcome the world for us. I know that I couldn't have made it through all of the things that I've gone through without him. And these two verses have helped me a great deal. So I appreciate you and wanted you to know that I'm okay and I will be okay. And you needed to know that. I couldn't just leave you hanging and not know, where's Berta? Where's Berta? I really appreciate what you've done and how you've hung with me and how you've been loyal. Evan has always said that I have the nicest and the kindest and the best subscribers that he has seen. And he's been visited a lot of places online, that you guys are really special. So I just wanted to thank you. If I had a hat, I could take it off to you. But I appreciate you and thank you. And that's it. So I'm going to say goodbye from Berta Jay, but not forever. I'll be back. Okay? Bye for now.